Right, let's create a new job. I'm going to show you how to create a job in 3 different ways. I'm going to create a job from the CRM, we're going to create a job from the jobs module, and we're going to create a job from sites from the CRM. But the first thing you need to do if you're in the CRM and you've selected a customer is right click on that customer, go to create job, and then go to new job. To create a job from the job module, simply go into the job module, click on new and click on new job and fill in the details of that job sheet. You can also create a job from the site by going into the CRM, going to sites, selecting the tab create job, new job, job sheet with selected site. You'll also notice that you can do job sheet with selected site and equipment and job sheet with selected site and F-gas systems. Thanks very much for listening.